I've been with Noble coming up to 6 years now, but I've got about 35 years in the ag industry. Been a lot of fun being a part of Noble Equipment. They're a family-owned operation. Been in business since 2009. Started as a Corona dealer, the first Corona dealer in Alberta and in Western Canada. Expanded out from there. We focus heavily on the hay, forage, and material handling business. JBS equipment aligns beautifully with that mission because it's all about handling the materials, and that's what we do here. It's been a good partnership with JBS. We've been partners for about 12 years now. And again, the product line fits perfectly with what it is we do. We cut the hay, we feed the hay, we move the bales. We can obviously do manure management, silage trailers. All of the products that JBS sells fit really well with our customer demographic. Here in Alberta, we handle everything from feedlots to the dairy operations to the more traditional livestock cow-calf operations. And they all have one thing in common: they all need to move materials. So with that, we tried to align ourselves with a partner, a good Canadian-made partner, builds a good quality, dependable product. We've been very impressed with the quality of the product overall. It meets our customers' needs. We've got some customers with as many as 16 pieces of JBS equipment, and then we've got several that are being introduced to the brand and get their very first piece. The sales and marketing team are always ready to help us out, and in some cases we've been able to customize the machines to our specific customer needs, and that really speaks to the willingness of JBS to work with us to expand our market and open up the product to more customers.
My name is Baston Bermelhouse. I am the service manager here at Noble Equipment in Olds. Been doing this now for about a year. Before that, I was an ag technician, so I definitely have a little bit of background in that sector. I grew up on a dairy farm. Actually, we moved here from the Netherlands back in 2001. We have a farm east of Olds, and so my family runs that. Growing up in my years, I was an automotive technician, and after that, I came to Noble Equipment. People that worked here I've known for many years already, so it was a very easy transition going into working here for Noble Equipment. So we're pretty aligned with our thoughts and whatnot. So we work together really well. You know, we've had that history. There's a lot of downtime in this industry, and so we try to do our best that we have everything situated here for our customers. We are loaded up with lots of parts and pieces. We try to do our best to make sure that we get out there in a timely fashion. Every minute does count. So whatever we can do to prepare to help the customer out so that there is very little downtime for them.
I've been putting several of these spreaders together. Any of the maintenance manuals or any of the operator's manuals, they're really comprehensive. The two nicest features that these wagons, specifically these spreaders, come with is the nylon floor liner for ease of product flow out the back, the vertical beaters in the back, and how easily removable they are. It's just 2 pins at the bottom. You gotta have a piece of lifting equipment, but you can lift it right off the back with 2 eyelets at the top, and you can make it very, very similar to the forage trailer that's just back behind the camera. So I've looked at it lots. I've been around bunning lots, but this is miles ahead for the guys that are trying to get multi-purpose out of their equipment and make their equipment work more for them and not just make it a single-use deal.
One of the things I like about JBS is that fundamentally it just works. There's not a lot of parts that break. It's a very simple machine to follow. It's like one of our rakes and tedders. They don't break, they just work. Over the last 5.5 years, we've seen the JBS product develop a little bit with new models, better parts pricing and availability. Very good for customers. Agriculture is a very, I want to say, stable-ish business. Even throughout the COVID outbreaks and everything, we were never slow. we were probably busier than ever. So I can really appreciate that. And another benefit of being agriculture is it's a relationship business. People do business with people. And I've got a lot of friends and family now that are into it. So it's very rewarding.
So JBS as an OEM vendor, obviously the JBS product line, heavy with forage handling, manure handling, and that's one of the dominant reasons as to why we're partnered with JBS. Very solidly built piece of machinery. It has a very strong history or a strong background in the countryside as being a unit that goes to the field and it performs. I would say that it's a differentiator from some of the competitive alternatives that are out in the marketplace. Your equipment's built to last, and it goes through some of the challenges that some of our producers put in front of it. When it's time to talk about improvements or refinements, JBS, they listen and they integrate it into it, and they're constantly making your product better. We continue to grow as an organization, and we already have expanded with our Westlock location. So Westlock Geography has just recently came on board, probably within the past month or so. We have a sales professional who's already on the ground, and the customer feedback so far has been very positive, and we're excited to see the growth that transpires. But yeah, the team here at Olds has been really great. We have a super great culture that happens here at the dealership, and we want to maintain that culture. And I mean, we're here to support the customer, get him up and running as quickly as possible, and provide a positive customer experience. So we do stock a wide range of JBS parts and have them on the shelf. When customers do break down, if they can come in and get the part, they're happy. We have 3 locations currently in Alberta, and we do spread our stock across the 3. And one nice part about that is if we don't have the part at their local store, we usually have it at one of our other stores, and we can get it transferred virtually immediately. And if by chance we don't have it, we can get it overnight from the factory in BC. So that really helps with the whole customer reliability and uptime, because that's what they're buying when they buy the JBS product.